In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Amazon Prime membership. We'll go step by step on a desktop browser so you can quickly check your membership details, update your payment method, turn auto-renew on or off, see your next billing date, or cancel if you need to. I'll also share a few helpful tips along the way so everything feels clear and stress-free. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's website. Sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that actually holds the Prime membership, especially if you've used multiple accounts in the past. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and hover over the Accounts and Lists menu. A panel will drop down. Click on your Prime membership. That takes you straight to the Manage Membership page, which is the central hub for everything related to Prime. On this page, you'll immediately see your membership status. This confirms whether you're currently active and often shows the type of plan you have, like monthly or annual. It's also a great place to explore your included benefits, such as fast shipping options and digital services, so you're getting the most value out of your subscription. If you need to update how you pay for Prime, look for the Payment Method section. Select the option to change or update your card or billing details, then follow the on-screen prompts to save your changes. Keeping this current helps you avoid any interruptions in benefits. Next, you can manage auto-renew. Prime is set to renew automatically by default, which means your membership will continue unless you turn it off. If you prefer to decide each term, toggle off auto-renew. The page will clearly indicate whether the change is active and when your current term will end. You can also check your billing or renewal date right on this page. This is the exact day your next charge would occur or when your membership ends if you've turned off auto-renew. Make a note of this date so you can plan ahead. If you're ready to cancel, select the option to end your membership. Amazon will guide you through a few confirmation screens. Read them carefully, as they'll explain whether cancellation takes effect at the end of the current period or immediately, depending on your situation. That's it. By signing in, opening your Prime membership, and using the Manage Membership page, you can review benefits, update payments, control auto-renew, see your next billing date, and cancel if needed, all in one place.